The Gopro Hero 3-axis stabilizer Model 13 utilizes advanced 5.0 iSteady technology to ensure smooth and stunning video capture, even during intense activities like running or skating. With its quick-release clip design, you can easily mount and unmount your action camera, making setup and teardown quick and hassle-free. The stabilizer's Bluetooth control and app features allow for seamless remote operation, including motor direction adjustments and one-click videography. Thanks to its IPX4 water resistance, this gimbal is protected against water splashes, making it an excellent choice for capturing moments in various weather conditions. The inbuilt 3600 milliampere-hour battery offers an impressive 14 hours of continuous operation, perfect for long shooting sessions or time-lapse videos. Compatibility is a strong suit for the iSteady Pro 4, supporting a wide range of action cameras and accessories, ensuring versatility for different filming needs.